In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Triple EMA, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to add the Triple EMA indicator to your TradingView chart. Even if you're completely new to TradingView or to technical indicators, don't worry. I'll explain everything in a simple and clear way, and by the end of this video, you'll have Triple EMA up and running on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, or any other asset you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually located above the price chart, near the time frames and other tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open up the indicator menu, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools are organized. When the indicator menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for. Click inside that search bar and start typing the word triple. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and show you any indicators with triple in the name. This saves you from having to scroll through a long list of tools you don't need. Among the results, you should see an indicator called Triple EMA. This is the one we want to add to the chart. Move your mouse over that option and click on Triple EMA. As soon as you click it, TradingView will close the menu and you'll notice the indicator appears directly on your chart. You'll usually see 3 moving average lines, each with different settings, layered over the price. At this point, Triple EMA is successfully added. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator name in the top left corner of the chart and open the settings. There, you can adjust the lengths, colors, and styles to match your trading strategy and make the lines easier to read. If you find Triple EMA helpful and you're planning to use TradingView more seriously, consider upgrading to a paid plan using the affiliate link in the description. It can unlock additional chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and other features that make technical analysis smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to quickly add Triple EMA to your TradingView chart.